Coleslaw. I love having mine with barbecue chicken or fries, as side dishes with fries. To start with, I'm going to thinly slice and dice my cabbage. We're going to make use of carrots and also going to make use of onion. You have to slice them and also dice them. The percentage of other veggies like the onion and the carrots to the cabbage is 90% to 10. That is 90% of cabbage, 10% of carrots, and let's say 5% of onion. So after cutting this in thin stripes, I'm also going to dice it to have the size of rice. The rice is at the market, and this is ready. For my carrots, I washed and grated the back, and then I'm grating it into thin stripes like this, and I'm also going to dice it. Coleslaw is quite different from salad. Both of them use veggies like carrots and cabbage, but they're quite different. This was one of my best appetizers while I was a student at Babcock. It's very healthy, it's very delicious. There's nothing that beats homemade recipes. Now this is ready. I only use one of the carrots. Now for the onion, I'm only going to use half of it. You slice it and then you dice. And this is all you need, all the veggies you need: your carrots, your cabbage, and your onion. Please check the description box below for a list or a link to the detailed recipe. Now these are all the veggies I'm going to be using. Now for the sauce, I'm making use of mayonnaise, sugar. Use a good brand of mayonnaise. Use a good brand. Buttermilk. Milk, whole milk. Lemon, vinegar, black pepper, and lastly salt. If you are still watching, it means you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. I'm going to stir everything together, mix it together well till there are no lumps and it's looking just like this. Now I've heard some of you complain about not being able to have access to my written recipes. Just click on the drop button right below this video and you see the description box and a link to my written recipe. Now these are the veggies. Mix them all up together in a bigger bowl, and then you add your coleslaw sauce or mix it well with a wooden spoon or with a spatula. Now for the coleslaw sauce or mix, you add it little by little till it's creamy to your satisfaction. I did not use up the whole mixture. I ended up having 1/4 cup of the sauce left. Next, I'm going to transfer it to a smaller bowl, and I'm going to cover with a plastic wrap or cling film and refrigerate for 2 hours before serving. You can also leave it overnight for best results. Please remember to subscribe and leave me a comment. See you next week.